Have you ever heard of the legendary credit card that can reveal how important you are? It's called the Black Card and the top choice of the world's wealthiest people like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos. It's the kind of card that stands out and is considered the most prestigious among all the black cards available. And guess what? We're talking about the American Express Black Card in today's video. So if you want to know more about this famous card, you're in the right place. We know you're excited, but please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest in the luxury world. At Luxury Mindset, we bring you all luxurious information ranging from items, cars, houses, places, and even people who bathe in luxury. Not only that, but we also give you pretty much the amount you would need to purchase any of these luxurious stuff. So if you're interested in the rich, becoming rich, or even dreaming of lying on a mattress of gold or dollar bills, click the notification bell to keep yourself updated on this channel. The American Express Black Card is also known as the Amex Black Card, but it's more popularly referred to as the Centurion Card. It's the ultimate status symbol in the financial world, but you can't just ask for one. Nope, it's an invite-only thing, reserved for the creme de la creme. And get this, there's barely any information available on the exclusive perks you get with a Black Card. All we know is that the annual fee is $5,000. But let's face it, for billionaires who carry the card, it's just chump change. So if you're dreaming of owning this elusive card, you better start working on becoming a one-percenter. The Amex Black Card has been around since the 1980s, or at least the idea of it. Rumors were flying back then that American Express had a super secret card for the world's elite. While the card didn't actually exist then, Amex decided to capitalize on the buzz and create a black card exclusively for the wealthiest people. The Amex Black Card has never been advertised on their website and is strictly invitation only. You have to meet several requirements even to be considered, such as having a high income, spending at least $250,000 a year on your card, and being an Amex Platinum card holder for at least a year. And if you do get an invitation, be prepared to shell out a whopping $10,000 just to initiate the card before you even start using it. Before receiving an invitation to own an American Express Black Card, a team of experts will thoroughly check your background. Since its launch in 1999, the Black Card has become so prestigious that other financial institutions have tried to create their own exclusive cards with luxury benefits, but none have come close to the iconic Black Card. Not only is pulling out the Black Card the ultimate display of wealth and status, but it also comes with many incredible perks. Some of these are standard rewards, such as earning points for purchases. Still, the higher-end benefits include exclusive car rental privileges and access to some of the most luxurious hotels in the world. One of the most renowned benefits is the private concierge service that comes with the card, allowing the cardholder to have a personal assistant to handle everyday tasks such as booking hotels, tracking flights, making reservations, and even picking up dry cleaning. The Amex Black Card stands out from all other credit cards out there. And one of the reasons for this is the private concierge service it offers. With this service, the cardholder can hire a personal assistant to handle all their daily tasks, such as making hotel reservations, booking flights, and cleaning dry. It's a level of luxury that most people can only dream of. But that's not all. The Amex Black Card also offers incredible benefits for travelers. With the card's hotel benefits and air miles rewards, the cost of travel becomes practically free for its users. From room upgrades and free check-ins to private butler services, the Black Card ensures you feel like royalty wherever you go. Cardholders are also automatically upgraded to gold at Marriott hotels worldwide and receive bonus points on their stays. And that's not all. The card also grants access to the benefits of Hilton Hotel Honors Diamond Class, including priority check-ins, 48-hour room guarantees, and free premium internet. Special Black Cards even come with private jet services, making it a lifestyle reserved for people with plenty of money to spend on travel, shopping, and entertainment. It's no wonder that the Amex Black Card has become a cultural icon, with even famous rappers like Kanye West singing about the millions they spend on their Black Card. However, is it all worth it? Considering that opening an account with a Black Card costs $15,000, it's reasonable to expect to get your money's worth. However, much of what the card offers are exclusive and limited to only the most significant players in the world. Celebrities like Beyoncé, Oprah Winfrey, and Jeffrey Seinfeld swear by the card, which speaks to its exclusivity and prestige. Only 20,000 people worldwide hold the card, and a public discussion about it is considered taboo. Ultimately, it's challenging to determine whether the card is worth the expense, given its exclusivity to the richest of the rich. Well, if one of you guys who is watching ever gets to own one, please let us know. Our comment section is ready for you. And if you enjoyed watching this video, consider clicking the notification bell to stay updated because we have more luxury videos coming for you. Only here at Luxury Mindset.